Okie, so more wibbly wobbly idiot vision. Right, yesterday I made a right fucking arse of the of this this little carbide slitting saw. That's what happens when your slitting saw holder isn't held into its collet properly. I don't know if you can actually see this. Blimey, it's looking very dark despite the fact there's an awful lot of light on it. See, nice big crack in there, and we took a great big chunk off the edge of it. So that was dead. It'll be recycled into scraper blades. There we go. Luckily I had another one spare, so tightened everything up properly, mounted that and finished off my collet. That came out quite nicely. We'll look at that in a second. Yeah, so here we go. Little Morse taper 3 15mm collet. Missed my indexing on one of these, but it was all indexed by eye. It doesn't really matter. 15mm hull, and what it's going to be used for is cutting some bevel gears for the up and down side of the mill. Bevel gears. This was cut from some junk steel. It's the same stuff that's underneath the mill at the moment. These, however, these are bevel gear blanks. There's one here, mounted on 15mm stubs for the moment. These are made out of XC48 steel, cut out of a piece of chairlift axle. Machines beautifully. It's really nice stuff. So we'll be getting on with some of that. So here we go, a couple of little bevel gear blanks. These are for 30 tooth, 1.5 module bevel gears, 2-to-1 ratio. There's a third gear that needs to be made as well, but these are good enough for cutting these two. Basically, it looks like a bit of a differential. You've got two down here and then one feeding into the middle in here. Bevel gears are a right pain in the arse. I had to write the program that gave me all my measures, and didn't give me all of them, so I had to do a bit of calculation as well. Yeah, they're a pain in the ring to cut, but we'll see how that goes. I'm going to need to make some specialised cutters to do them. But we've got people coming around to visit, well, my parents basically, and they haven't been over here for 3 years, so we'll be away from the workshop for a week or so.